Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the action of the camera control on the iPhone 16 Pro. New iPhone 16 lineup has a camera control button on the right side. When you press on it, it opens camera, but you can also assign a different action to it. So to use it, go to Settings, then go to Camera, Camera Control, and you can change whether single click or double click will launch camera. And you can also use a different app instead of camera. So for example, you can set code scanner, magnifier, or none if you want to disable the camera control button. I'm gonna set magnifier, and now when I click here, then it opens the magnifier and I can still use it like I would in the camera app. So when you lightly press on it, you can use the zoom, and when you press on it hardly, then it opens the zoom and also captures like it does in magnifier app. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.